Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about the 5 most common and sometimes costly auto repairs. So we'll jump right into it and run down the line. Tires and rims for sure. When your tires wear out, which they often do, some tires get 45,000 miles, some tires up to 60 or 70, but it can be an expensive replacement, especially with today's newer vehicles. The lower profile tires, they tend to be a little more expensive. If you damage a rim also. Brake components, without question, a repair that everybody will go through. Everything from having to replace brake calipers, brake pads and rotors, wheel cylinders, etc., can turn into costly repairs. It's good to have them inspected regularly. That way the parts needed replaced tend to be minimal. Tire pressure monitoring systems kind of go along with tires, but we see these fail. They can be pesky. Tires are aired up properly, but the light stays on. Diagnosis properly is often important to make sure the right components are replaced. Timing belts are another one. We have an example here, timing belt, water pump, etc. It needs to all be replaced at certain times and mileages on a vehicle, along with suspension components. The best thing is to have your vehicle inspected properly by a qualified technician at a quality facility. I'm Brian Bowersock.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.